Hey there, it's me, coming to you from my garage back home. Our fall road trip extravaganza may be over, but it's taken me a while to go through all the photos and videos that we've taken and compile them into little vignettes to share with all of you. So this particular one, we are leaving Michigan and we are on our way to Springfield, Illinois, because that's where the Lincoln Library and Memorial and Museum all are. We wanted to see that. Plus, we wanted to go to Chicago, which is the beginning of Route 66. As you may remember, we started a Route 66 tour back in the spring. We picked it up in Oklahoma just because we are in South Carolina, so it just made sense to go up to Oklahoma and go over to LA that way. But now that we were up in Michigan, we're gonna go and pick up the beginning of it and go all the way to Oklahoma. But before we do that, we're going to Springfield, Illinois, with some stops along the way. Some of them are pretty cool. Some of them have a movie theme to them. Some of them don't. Hey there, at the recording of this, it is Tuesday, October 18th, and I am in Illinois. We started our trip on the 7th of October, going across the country, seeing family and friends. We went all the way from South Carolina to Jersey to Pennsylvania to Niagara Falls. On the Canadian side, not to visit family, but just to kind of hang out and see the falls. And then we went on to Ohio to visit my one sister, then to Michigan, and now we are in Illinois. We went through Chicago to the very beginning of Route 66. So it's kind of like we're starting the Route 66 trip again, but we were in Chicago at the very beginning of Route 66. We are still on Route 66, but to some people that know me and some of the films that I like, we are in Joliet, Illinois. And we stopped at an ice cream place that has the Blues Brothers on the roof. Hence Joliet, Illinois. So there's a lot of cool stuff. This is a park, and supposedly we can go see Joliet Prison. So, I know, who wants to go see a prison? But, cool gas pump. So, that's where I'm currently at, in Joliet, Illinois, where parts of the Blues Brothers movie was made. And this ice cream stand is Joliet Kicks on 66 that we stopped at to get a shake.